Kling just dropped their 2.0 update, and it's a game changer. From hyper-realistic motion to smoother edits and way more control. This update takes AI video generation to the next level. Let's break down what's new, what's improved, and how we can start using Kling 2.0 today. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is I want to create a good looking guy with a black suit is chased by a monster in a big city, but we can use ChatGPT here to create a professional prompt and just copy the prompt then and paste it here into Flux AI, for example, and create the image. And then you can see that here the hand that comes outside from this black cape here, but we can edit this here in GIMP, for example, or like Photoshop, and then just go here to the smear tool and then just smear it like that, and then the hand will not be visible anymore there. And when it's done, just export the image, and here you can see that I use the face swap tool that to add my own face here into this guy, okay? And then we go to kling.ai. You can see here the video generation. If you click here on the left side, then you see the Kling 2.0 master. This is the new one. You got the older one, 1.6, 1.5, and the Kling 1.0. And we choose the latest one and then just choose the image here. Good, then you can see here that the prompt is optional. I will say the guy is escaping from the monster in the background, and the monster background him and destroying the city on his way. The negative prompt is optional, and I want to leave it blank because I want to see the power of Kling 2.0 master, and then just hit the generate button. You can see now that the Kling 2.0 to generate a video, it costs 100 credits. Good, after around about 5 minutes we get our video here, and the result looks pretty cool. You can see that the face from the guy is a little bit glitchy here, you can see, but yeah, the chasing scene looks really amazing. You can see here, this is the movements are so realistic, like the guy is running here and the monster how is following him, and I'm really impressed of that. And let's try something. I got another image here, something really funny I made, and let's do something like I want to make a race in these wheelchairs, and let's go back here to kling.ai. Okay, the two guys in the image are racing. It's simple. Now racing in the wheelchairs. Hit the generate button. Now we get our final video here, and you can see that the animation looks really great. You can see, okay, at the first they go a little bit back, they are driving backwards, and then they are starting driving at the front with the wheelchairs, and yeah, it looks really realistic how they move, and the cars in the background, and you can see the camera movement. Everything looks so realistic. It is only faces looks a little bit strange, but okay, because if we see only the faces here from the side, then yeah, you can be sure that Kling can't recreate the faces. You can see it now, the front here, It is not as bad, but it doesn't look as the original actors. But okay, I think they will improve that very soon, or maybe if you leave the name from the actors here. Okay, now let's try something different. I made another video here. I have another image here. So then click on copy image, back to Kling, and then paste it here. Barbie and Ken are walking away, smooth and cool, and slowly from the explosion in the background. Hit the generate button and let's see what we get. And now here from video creation, let's go to the image generation now. And have a look here, color is 2.0. This is the latest one. And here the prompt, you can also upload a reference image here. Why not try the same image here? Right. Copy and paste. Yes, I agree. And now we can do it in a style of a 3D cartoon. Prompt 3D cartoon style. Now two guys in the image are racing in their wheelchairs, and then to generate a new image it costs 8 credits. Let's go. Alright, now you can see here the faces from these two guys are looking different, but the rest of the image is pretty cool. Yeah, this is the same style, but the hints with the 3D cartoon, it have ignored a little bit, seems like. It is the first time I tried this, okay, but yes, I like the style of the image because it's the same style from the reference image, and that's it. This is really cool to create something similar, but not with similar faces, okay? Okay, now let's try something different. I have another image here. So then click on copy image, back to Kling, and then paste it here. Barbie and Ken are walking away from the explosion in the background. Generate. Now this prompt failed for 2 times. I always got back here my credits. I don't know why, what is the problem? Good, now we can try something different. We can try directly here, text to video. I would say I go back to ChatGPT here, copy the prompt, now paste the prompt here. This is exactly the prompt, the Monster Hunter prompt, and now just click on generate and let's say and we can see what is the difference between we create a text to video and we create a video from an image. Yeah, and look there, we got our final video here now. And it looks really amazing. It looks quite different from the other image that I created, the other video I created from the image. But if we compare these two videos now with each other, you can see here that the first video that we made from the image looks more dynamic, but the other one, it looks much more cleaner, without any glitches, or with less glitches than the other one. But okay, I think we will have a bright future with Kling 2.0, just have to try it out. Depending what we want to create, I think as more action we want, as much more problems we will have at the moment. But I think the future will be really bright with kling.ai 2.0.
If you found this tutorial was helpful, give a like and subscribe to our channel.